What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What a go on, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, you don't know me always I talk about domestic violence. Me always I talk about walk away. Me always I say leave if you can't leave. Me always I say don't unalive the woman or don't unalive the man or don't unalive yourself or the kids or anybody at all. Walk away. Now guys, let me say this to each and every one of you. The reason why I make videos like I make them sometimes talking about Alicia Kim's situation and all other situations is because sometimes when a man left a relationship or walk out of a relationship, him cannot find himself moving forward. Yeah? Him cannot find himself moving forward because he don't have that drive. The woman was the one behind the drive. So some man cannot help themselves, but what they do is they go as far as try to unalive that woman. They go as far as try to tear down that woman on social media or with their friends. Now, guys, we all see it live out right in front of our eyes with Alicia Kim's situation. Now, there is a situation where in the United States, a former police officer from Jamaica have a relationship with a lady and the relationship broke up as an ex-man, and the man didn't do nothing more than go back to the house, go back to the home of the woman and shoot her. Well, guys, pew pew her. Watch this video and then we're going to talk about a few of these things. So watch this video, guys. Watch the video and tell me what you think about it.
Sister of the woman who was shot in Greenlawn, and as he explains, the victim lifelong.
Just icy. She is really stable and
Shelley Deacon, the sister of the 40-year-old, early Thursday morning on Lee Street, Greenlawn. Prosecutors say the bullet hit the victim's shoulder and then struck a vertebrae, causing a spinal cord injury. She could end up a paraplegic or a quadriplegic and has two sons, ages 9 and 11.
right now she has no feelings below, so we're hoping for the best though.
Prosecutors say the gunman, 37-year-old Eric Wilby, was her ex-boyfriend. He was arrested in New Rochelle, about 40 miles from the scene. Exclusive video shows him being chased by police at a school about 8 hours after the shooting.
He was like a brother to us. Like, we trust him. You know, my mom trusted him. I trusted him. It's very disappointing for me because I treated him like a brother.
Prosecutors say the victim tried getting away from her attacker in her car, but he allegedly shot her through the window. Authorities say Wilby is a former police officer in the country of Jamaica. He's being held without bail and pleaded not guilty in court.
At this preliminary stage, he remains close with the presumption of innocence. Furthermore, he remains eager to mount his defense and vindicate himself in the charges.
In Greenlawn, Suffolk County, Kevin VC News.
No, guys, did you see? Did you listen to what occurred? What happened? Now, let me say this to each and every one of you. When I come out here and I make videos and I said simple, walk away from trouble if you can, or if you cannot walk away, try to talk to somebody because it does not have to reach here. Now this lady is going to be paralyzed. So far she's not feeling nothing down below. So eventually, this lady made paralyzed, cannot do anything for herself. She's 40 years old. She don't live all her life yet. She have kids. But because of jealousy, because of envy, because of all manner of evil, you would go and shoot and pew pew this lady. God so good that she did not lose her 3 point. However, you lose your freedom. Now your freedom is gone. You should know better. You're an ex-police, not just a police either. You leave Jamaica with ranks, and now you find yourself in this situation where you're going to live the rest of your life. The rest of your life you're going to live not a free man. Now, to all of the people out there, see, every single person out there who have any of these thoughts in their brain, in their head, think before you act. Think before you do it. And then, look, see, this is the part that I don't understand. After you do your act, now you're running. Now you're running away from the police. The same person that you know how it works. You know how it works. But now you're running away. Why are you running away from the situation when you put yourself in the situation? There's many other women out there. And that's the reason why I'm saying to each and every one of you out there, ladies, men, when you're going in the relationship, sit down and have dialogues, have conversation about what you're about to start, what you're about to do. Find out if this is what you want to do. Find out if this is what she wants to do. And when you go into the relationship, put an account somewhere that you can save your money. That you can save your money. Save something. So that means whenever time the relationship ends or the relationship broke up, you have something to turn to. Don't put all your money into anybody. And I mean that, both man and woman, because when the relationship goes sour, some of us, most of us, not all of us, cannot deal with that pressure, cannot deal with that situation. And then that's what causes all these problems. My viewers and subscribers, we have to do better. We have to do better. Content creators, we have to do better. We have to make more videos talking to people out there about not analyzing people, not trying to put people down. We have to make more videos. It happens too much now. It happens every day now. And it's not like Jamaicans, them act like a Jamaicans alone do it. It happens everywhere in the world. It's just that when them say Jamaica, it more pop because Jamaica is the capital word of the world. My viewers and subscribers, until the next videos. Until the next, guys, me have to wear my hat cause out that door hot. So me I try to take off little shade off of the beautiness, you know. Yeah man, me I tell you take off little of the sun off of the beautiness cause the sun kind of burn up the beautiness. But you don't know black is beauty, you know, shine bright like a diamond. Guys, you don't know me turn already. Me love laughing and me just laugh over people. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I'll see you in the next video. Now say a word, peace and love.